Yeah. I'm ready.
But yeah, I didn't even pick up on that Matrix reference my first time through the game.
You didn't pick up on anything.
No, there's 2 movie references right off the bat that I did not pick up on. What the fuck? Oh, James, bolts, man, you're missing bolts.
Yeah.
Quick, James, get them all, get them all. Use your Dark Star Tether.
Mine.
Your Tether is a lot faster than your vacuum, by the way. By the way, Chris, there's a hero bot here for you.
I think he got it.
What?
I think he got it.
He didn't.
Oh.
You got yours, but Chris didn't get his.
We have to go.
Who thinks I won this one?
I don't know.
I think so.
Close call. Easy.
Lucky son of a bitch.
Nah. James became a noob.
You're a
What?
loner, Chris.
I'm Bolt Master.
Yeah, James is Bolt Master for me.
About noob.
What? It says noob for me and I was the bolt master.
The fuck?
I told you, the same as it says I win. To you guys, apparently I didn't.
No, it's a broken game, so...
001. Creatures. For years, they've been something of a rite of passage on Magnus. Their very presence seems to enrich, inspire, and motivate us all. It is a
Yeah.
no one has ever sought to understand. Until now. Using a complex array of technological thingamadoos, my colleague Nevo Binkelmeyer and I have been investigating the effect of creatures on their owners. Take my own companion, Mr. Dinkles. His mere presence seems to amplify my talents as a paradoxologist. But observe him through the lens
I could give you guys a spoiler right now, but I think I won't.
Yeah, you better not.
He's the architect.
Eh?
Eh? Okay.
Nah,
Never mind.
I didn't hear what you said.
It doesn't matter. It's no important.
It's very important. What you want?
Drugs.
Ooh. Sure?
Ooh.
You sure? Yes?
I want. No.
No. Sad face. Yeah, when we go off this, let me just restart the recording.
Mm-hmm.
Research.
By the way, I also think you guys will be able to upgrade your weapon.
You said that all the time.
No, because there's only a couple levels left. Well, only a couple of worlds left. There's still quite a few areas.
Oh, to knock.
Alright. Yeah, just 2 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Capture.
That one's slightly out of sync. That's failed. But yeah,
Yay.
I don't know if you guys will be able to upgrade or not. We shall see though. We shall
I
see.
doubt it.
No.
No, you might be able to.
And they will get Mega Tech.
Nope.
No. Okay. Both of you.
Should I upgrade
Yeah.
Darkstar?
Yeah, do it. James, you can take yours all the way.
1,000.
Don't worry. You'll
poor.
get all that back. Oh, sorry. My bad.
I'm stuck.
Yeah, James, use your Dark Star. It's quick at getting rid of all the boxes. James.
Do I have to declare any of this on my tax return?
Balls.
I definitely
look-
landed on him.
Look at that. The mission's only just started. You both were on 5,000. Or at least you were until James you died, so you lost some. Yeah, use your
Oh,
Dark
you lose
Stars
some for
to kill
dying?
these. Yeah. This is where you will start getting a lot of bolts now.
What the? I'm
Use
using the
your
wrong
Dark
gun.
Star. James, there's enemies up here behind me.
Oh my god, I keep changing weapons by accident.
But yeah, look at Cressy's bolts compared to yours.
Yeah.
That's how awesome the Dark Star is.
But I only bought one upgrade.
Yeah, it don't matter. Like, those bolts you've got there on screen right now are the ones
what you've
you've
earned
earned.
this level.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, you two need to do it as well. Chris? Oh, yeah.
What?
Balls.
Yeah, see, that's what happened to me.
James?
Oh, come on.
I thought you
Chris.
glitched then.
Me too.
Okay, James,
Uh-oh.
get the double point. Ah. He stole it from you.
Mine.
Come on,
mate.
shoot the boxes. Come on. Make those points worth it. Okay, there's going to be a trophy here. You see those like slug things? Knock them into the water. Shoot them
Ow.
though. You shoot them and it'll bounce them around. It don't matter what gun you use. Use the electric gun. Yeah. Okay, stop shooting, stop shooting. Aim it so they bounce into the water.
Easy.
Yeah,
They both went in, but I don't know who got them.
Yeah, it don't matter about these little ones. Just kill them. Switch to your Dark Star, James. You can use that on those slugs as well. Chris, when we get to the slugs,
my God.
we'll get James get the trophy first, and then you can get it on the second part.
Well, someone's already got it because they got knocked into the water.
No, I've got it. You have to knock so many into it. I don't know just how many, but it's a few.
Ow.
Go on, James.
Mm.
Yeah, that one didn't count.
Why?
He bounced off us. By the way, you'll get some bolts here. Someone help me with that. Okay.
I think I enjoy fishing.
James, go!
Hang on, guys.
Right, James, double points over here. Somewhere. Okay, no, I guess no. That part's probably a little late up then. Guys, there's some stuff up here for you.
Hop in.
And then
You
there's
have
a
to be
box
moving,
here.
you can't stand still.
I got it. Vacuum up this one.
Hop in.
And then there's a minion down here.
Oh shit.
Triangle, Chris, triangle. Balls.
What the fuck?
The catapult launched you into the bridge.
There we go. I
Oops.
might. Oh,
There
there
we
we go.
Right. James, aim this shot. Like, don't keep spraying, but at the same time, like, don't not shoot. That didn't sound very well.
Huh?
James?
I did do it.
No.
It's not reaching.
You're stuck. You're not even throwing on my screen. There we go.
What the?
Okay, go on, James.
Bro!
There we go.
There we go.
God.
It was probably getting stuck on the little wall.
Almost made a boo boo.
Oh yeah, fuck.
A derp.
Yeah, my bad, my bad. Okay, these are armoured. These also count for the trophy. Use the Dark Star Terror to remove the armour and then knock them into the water.
Uh huh.
Okay, stop. There we go. Have you got the trophy yet, James?
No.
Okay, well, you break the boxes and that, and I'll quickly go and check how many. Some boxes over here. Right.
Yeah, I'm trying.
PS3 trophies, Ratchet Clank. It is. Oh, it's all of them. Fuck.
Oh.
Guys. In other words, don't die. Otherwise, the ones behind us will respawn.
Yeah, we didn't get all of them anyway.
We did.
Oh right, we have to do it all. No, because one of them bounced off one of us.
Oh, yeah. Nice bolts, Chris.
Yeah. Spray him!